Hey there, Timber Creek fans. Roberto Lee here at Timber Creek, and today we are previewing the Summerville floor plan by Manor. This is an inventory home ready for you to purchase right now. The Summerville is a 3-bedroom plus den home, part of the Manor line of homes. 2,400 square foot, 3-bedroom plus den, 3-car garage. Let's run inside here. So the Summerville here, you've got one guest bedroom right up here towards the front. This particular home has the plank tile throughout, which is really nice. You've got the guest bedroom right here off your first guest bath. You've got the quartz countertop, singular sink, commode, and the combination tub and shower. And then right back towards the entry here, we have our formal den. So it's a true den, no closet, but you could turn it into a 4th bedroom if you like. Now, on the other side of the den area, we have our laundry space here with the utility sink, full-size washer dryer, extra space for storage. That's the entry to your 3-car garage. And then we have guest bedroom number 2 right over here. And this one has the singular sink, the commode, and a standalone shower. Now, coming back towards the main entryway, this opens up right into this huge great room area. So you've got all this space to work with here, and a huge kitchen island right here with the white cabinets. You get a full stainless appliance package, corner pantry here, quartz countertops. This is a beautiful floor plan. Right over here, this would be your dedicated dining room area here. And then from your kitchen, you're gonna look over your entire great room. Now, right across from the kitchen, past the great room, is your master. Again, large master. You've got over 2,400 square foot here. You do also have the sliding doors leading out to your lanai. And then you've got this massive bathroom as well here for the master. There's your large walk-in shower. You've got your separate sinks here, your enclosed water closet, and then 2 huge walk-in style closets as well right there. Last but not least is the outdoor living space on this home. So right past the triple sliders here, you have a really nice size lanai under truss. There's plenty of room back there to add a pool, and this is on the very side of the community here. So that fence that you see here, that's a different community right on the other side of that. So it's very private on this side of the community. So if you're interested in this home, you can purchase it today. Reach us in all the contact information below for Pinnacle Property. This is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.